You will need the Soclean Cpap adapter for Fisher and Paykel icon. The adapter for the Fisher and Paykel icon is a special fitting. The adapter replaces the original elbow fitting on your machine. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main Soclean hose. Disconnect the short hose from the inside of the injection fitting. Install the short hose to the stem on the inside of the new icon adapter. Connect the main hose from the Soclean to the stem on the outside of the icon adapter. Detach the original elbow fitting from the back of the icon Cpap. Grasping the icon adapter, guide the short black hose into the humidifier reservoir using a pushing and twisting motion. Note, it may be necessary to trim off some of the hose. The end should rest near but not touch the bottom of the reservoir. Snap the adapter into place. Connect your Cpap hose to the new icon adapter.